I get a lot of questions in surgical consultations about how I manage hair. A lot of patients are asking, do I shave hair? Do I cut hair for brow lifts, for facelifts? And if you've seen how I do my markings and setting patients up in the pre-op room, I am very intentional about not shaving hair, not cutting hair, placing incisions in places where when things heal, hair is gonna grow through it or it's gonna hide scar lines. I am a girl's girl. I am somebody who, if you see me in office, I wear my hair in a slick back bun with no makeup every day. So I take that into account when I am incision planning for my patients, because I don't want you to feel like you have to wear makeup or you have to wear your hair in a specific way to hide incisions and scars. So specifically when we do the endoscopic brow, that approach, I make the incisions, that's little tiny stab incisions, and we're a few millimeters behind the hairline. I always mark where your natural part is so that we avoid that, so there's no scar in your part line. For the lateral brow, which also goes with the kind of endoscopic approach brow, that is back in the hairline back here, so when it heals, no visible scar. And then for our facelift incisions here, I bring it along your natural hairline, and then back here, I bring it into the hairline. There's a lot of surgeons that will either shave the hair here to make it easier for sewing or place the incision in front of the hairline and bring it down. To me, that's something where you either have to deal with short hair that's growing back in after surgery for months and months, depending on your hair length, or you have a visible scar that goes down your neck. I like to place it where it dives back deep into the hairline, and that way then when you pull your hair up, it can cover a large portion of the scar and incision. So there's a lot of intention in planning. It does cause more time in the operating room. I am very intentional about that. We do a lot of little mini ponytails, a lot of taping, a lot of things that we do to protect your hair as much as possible.